In today's video, we're taking a look at how to make pancakes easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. And these are the things that you're going to need. And first, we're going to mix the dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour or 120 grams, 2 tablespoons of sugar or 24 grams, 2 teaspoons of baking powder or 8 grams, half a teaspoon of salt or 2 grams. Let's go ahead and mix them all together. This is when we show the world your mixing technique. They don't call you Hulk or the Wonder Woman for no reason. Here at the StatUpBox team, we don't discriminate your superpowers. Now we're ready for the wet ingredients. We're gonna need 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of oil or approximately 14 grams. We like to beat the egg with the oil in it first because it seems easier. But if you want to beat the egg alone, you can go ahead and do that. You are the king or queen of your castle. Just don't let your partner know. And if you live alone, we salute you. But if you have other people in your castle, like family, then we say to you, stay strong, my friend. 1 cup of milk, which is about 245 grams or 9 ounces. And our last ingredient is 2 tablespoons of butter or about 28 grams. And now we're ready to mix all our wet ingredients. Come on, camera guy. This is a family show. Now that you exercise your forearm, we can go ahead and mix both dry and wet ingredients together. And now this is where the preference of your pancake comes into play. If you like clumpy pancakes, then you want to leave some lumps in there. If you like smooth pancakes, then you want to mix it well. But don't worry, with this mixture, either way that you choose, they're both going to be fluffy. We go ahead and oil up your favorite pan or skillet to a medium temperature or a number 5 or around from 250 to 300 Fahrenheit or 120 to 148 Celsius. And once the pan or skillet is hot, we can go ahead and pour the pancake either in 1/4 of a cup increments if you like small medium pancakes, or 3/4 of a cup to a cup increments if you like medium to large pancakes. Once we see bubbles and a colored rim around the pancake, we're ready to flip. But however you like your pancakes is not the important thing. The important thing is that today you mastered the art of pancaking. Here at the StatUpBox team, we provide you your black belt. Go ahead and show it off to the world. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.